Hi, it's Kelly J, and I've been an esthetician for 25 years, and I am the founder of Jolie Massage Skincare and Jolie Day Spa Skin Clinic. And in this quick tutorial, I want to share with you how a person that is 50, 60, 70 can truly make changes and create changes in the skin. So I start out by using our 5-in-1 derma roller. The derma roller has been sanitized with a spray, which is an alcohol spray. I leave it in a clean, dry space, and every time I use the roller, I'm going to be sanitizing the roller. And I also have prepped my skin. I've cleansed it well, and I have used a toner, astringent, over my entire face. So that is the prepping for using the derma roller. Now I'm using a 0.1 millimeter microneedling device. If you're new to this treatment, start out with a 0.25 and then try to graduate to a 0.5 millimeter. You need the 0.5 to start really penetrating lower and not just that superficial epidermis. Now, in this portion of the video, it shows me rolling the device 10 times, and I am doing just one direction on my entire face. Then I go on to the next step. But what we have done with the microneedling is we have started microchanneling. And you can read more about why our 5-in-1 derma roller kit is superior in how the ultrafine microchannels are created pain-free, highly effective with medical grade standards that really have a design that enter the skin much more efficiently and less trauma, creating less trauma to the skin. Now I've grabbed the Tove House of PLLA 24 karat gold volumizing mask. We absolutely believe and um, we we see results from South Korean products. In this case, this is a clinical type product that we use at the spa. It is available for you to purchase. This will achieve dramatic results in your skin. So the 24 karat gold mask contains polylactic acid, and it also contains 24 karat gold. I'm trying to show you the little flecks in the highly hydrated mask. You can see it's full of solution. The 24 karat gold flecks calm inflammation, reduce redness, and detoxify the skin. The niacinamide is great for moisture, and it helps diminish the appearance of hyperpigmentation and gives you a luminous tone. And the retinal enhances firmness and elasticity. But the heavy hitter in this mask is the PLLA. And you all know about PLLA and that it is a biostimulator. So it's going to stimulate the lipids in the skin, the fat cells, and it's going to have a plumping effect. And it's an accumulative treatment, meaning the more you use this mask, let's say, for example, 1 to 2 times a month, once a month, you will see continued results with this mask. Now, this mask has so much fluid in it that I work it in with my fingers. I want to massage it into the skin. I want to get every tiny drop of this active ingredient into my skin And there's nothing like massaging the skin and pushing those actives into that microchanneled surface. Then I'm pressing. You can see I press it into the skin, really creating more lymphatic drainage around the eyes, just getting that lymph under the eyes, around the upper eyes, the sides of the face. And I'm really working to get that excess buildup, uh, lymph, lymph in the face and in the skin. I want to get that worked out and really get the ingredients into the skin. This is a step that's a more expensive step, but I really truly believe in the efficacy of the Time Master Pro. Now, this is a professional tool. We use it in our skin clinic, and it is available to our customers and our clients. It's the most effective device I've ever used, one of the top tiered devices I've ever used. It's going to create plumper, firmer skin with ultrasound and EMS, which is electrical muscle stimulation. Your skin will become visibly tighter. It has an instant glow and long-term results. Again, this is a cumulative treatment. The more you use it, the more results you see. It has 90,000 ultrasound vibrations per second, detoxifying skin, enhancing circulation, and it's giving your face a youthful, radiant glow. It targets the eyes, lips, and contours, so you get a sculpting effect from this treatment. And LED light therapy. The NASA-grade LED technology reduces pigmentation, acne, and signs of aging by targeting deep skin layers without damaging surface tissues. And one of the key components of this device is that it boosts product absorption. So when you think about all these beautiful serums and ampules and products you're applying to the skin, we're taking it to the next level when we're infusing it with the Time Master Pro. We're getting it deeper into the skin tissue. Now, the last thing that I want to mention is a new product, and we worked really hard on this product, and it's the hormonal support cream. Many of you have heard about the lack of estrogen and progesterone we have when we're in our 50s, 60s, and 70s. This product is safe. It is formulated by an FDA-approved manufacturer. It rejuvenates and balances the skin. You can use this product 2 to 4 times a week. It is formulated with a precise blend of estriol and progesterone. This fast-absorbing cream visibly reduces fine lines and wrinkles while deeply nourishing the skin. It is also infused with chamomile, comfrey, and golden seal, and that promotes freshness and smoothness without a greasy residue. The topical estriol E3 is what it's called, and progesterone work together to address hormonal aging. The specific type of skin thinning and dryness that occurs when estrogen and progesterone levels drop. I know this firsthand after having a hysterectomy in my mid-30s, that it's catching up to me, and I can see the changes in my skin after applying this product. I spent years watching women search for skincare that did more than just sit on the surface. So we needed something that addressed biological root of hormonal aging. That's why we created estriol and progesterone hormone cream. Now, to take it one step further, the combination of DMAE and estriol is key. When you apply the estriol, the hormone cream, there is a synergistic benefit when applying our stem cell peptide cream with DMAE and hormonal support cream. The antioxidant membrane stabilizer in our stem cell peptide cream is DMAE, and it provides a lifting effect by enhancing skin tone and potentially improving underlying facial muscle tone. Together, they address both loss of skin density and physical sagging of the face. So I combine the estriol hormonal cream and the stem cell cream. I apply it to the skin and massage it into the face, neck, and really make sure that I've really moisturized and done a full-on massage on my skin. The last tool that I will use prior to going to bed I will take a nice amount of Vaseline Intensive Care, petrolatum, uh, um, and I will apply it over these two products. That creates a saran wrap type occlusion. And I notice the following morning, when I wake up, I see changes that have occurred throughout the night when I'm resting, sleeping, and have these actives on my skin. I'm going to include an after from just one treatment. And that was this morning when I woke up, I could see visible changes in my skin. And this treatment just turns back the clock. It corrects damage to the skin from solar, exposure. It is a wonderful treatment.